Hello civil service aspirants, welcome to the another video of YouTube. This is our 12th video of MCQ series revision based on December 13th NPSC prelims exam. Like we are preparing for NPSC prelims exam. So without any delay, let's start the question. Number 1, according to India's 2025 climate action update, India's total installed renewable energy capacity crossed which milestone? That is 175 gigawatt, 200 gigawatt, 250 gigawatt and 300 gigawatt. So the right answer is 250 gigawatt. Alright. Next, the government launched Project Snow Leopard 2.0 in 2025 to monitor population using satellite tagging only, AI-enabled camera traps and genetic sampling, drone-based heat mapping, radio collar tracking only. So the right answer is AI-enabled camera traps and genetic sampling. We know how snow leopard is found. The biodiversity of snow leopard is mostly found in Tibet and northern parts of India, that is Himalaya and Afghanistan. So they are so rare and very hard to film. So overall population of them is degraded in recent years. Why? Because of pollution and overall hunting. Next is, in 2025, which Indian species was added to the IUCN endangered list due to shrinking grasslands? Great Indian bustard, hog deer, Nilgiri tar and Indian pangolin. So the right answer is B, hog deer. Alright, next. Which Indian river became the first to receive a River Rejuvenation Index rating in 2025? Yamuna, Narmada, Godavari, Brahmaputra. We all know rivers are so important in terms of Indian politics, in state politics, including since millions of population are totally dependent on these rivers. So then the rivers are Yamuna. Yamuna has got this first index. All right, next. India's 2025 EV policy, electric vehicle policy, targets what percentage of all new vehicle sales to be electric by 2030? 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. So the right answer is 30%. All right. Next, in 2025, UN Global Biodiversity Fund created to support developing nations is hosted by Canada, India, Switzerland, Brazil. The answer is Canada. All right. Next question. India launched the National Blue Carbon Mission 2025 to protect Himalayan glaciers, coral reefs and seagrass, Western Ghats forests, wetlands in Ganga Basin. So the right answer is coral reefs and seagrass meadows. All right. Next. In 2025, India announced a national ban on which single-use plastic item not previously covered? Plastic straws, PVC banners, microbeds in cosmetics, PET bottles below 500 ml. So microbeds in cosmetics is the right answer, and it is covered under new plastic ban policy. All right. Next, the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change (IPCC) 2025 updated stated that global warming has reached 1.1 degrees Celsius, 1.2 degrees Celsius, 1.4 degrees Celsius, 1.5 degrees Celsius. So the right answer is 1.4 degrees Celsius. All right, next question. India's 2025 Forest Survey report recorded which change? Overall increase in forest cover, overall decrease in forest cover, mangrove cover decreased, tree cover outside forest fell sharply. Nice. Right answer is overall decrease in forest cover we have been witnessing since last decades. Next, which state launched the Green Guardians program to monitor biodiversity through school students? Kerala, Sikkim, Maharashtra, Assam. So the right answer is Assam. Next, India signed a 2025 Memorandum of Understanding with which country on climate resilient agriculture? Japan, Israel, France, Australia. So it's Israel. Israel has joined hand with India. Next, the 2025 Desertification Combat Initiative focuses restoring which region? Chambal, riverines, Raniganj, coalfields, Aravalli foothills, the desert fringes. That Aravalli foothills. We know Aravalli mountains starts from Gujarat northern part, covers Rajasthan, including Haryana and some parts of Delhi. All right, 3 states, 1 union territory. Aravalli foothills. Which Indian national park introduced AI wildfire warning towers in 2025? Bandipur, Kaziranga, Jim Corbett, Gir Forest. So the right answer is Bandipur. All right, we have national park also here, also famous for tiger reserve. Next, the 2025 Earth Overshoot Day was marked on June 30, July 2, July 25, August 1. So the right answer is July 2. Next, India's 2025 Coral Restoration Program uses which technology to promote growth? Very important question, remember guys. Genetic editing, mineral acceleration technology, floating reef modules, cryogenic cloning. So the right answer is mineral acceleration technology, MAT. Okay. The 2025 Global Waste Index ranked India highest in which category? Municipal waste recycling, per capita landfill waste, organic waste recovery, plastic recycling rate. So plastic recycling rate is the maximum. Okay. Next, India's 2025 Tiger census used what method for the first time? Manual pug mark tracking, AI based stripe pattern recognition, drone laser lidar mapping, thermal biosensors. So right answer is AI based stripe pattern recognition. We can see that in modern times AI is being utilized and application in so many fields and places. All right, next, which international treaty completed 40 years in 2025? Paris Agreement, Montreal Protocol, Kyoto Protocol, Stockholm Convention. All these conventions and protocols are important. So the right answer is Montreal Protocol. It was mainly for ozone layer depletion. We know that Vienna Convention was pre-convention for tackling with ozone layer, and this is a protocol to protect ozone in terms of industry and gases. All right, next question. In 2025, India launched a green hydrogen certification portal to classify hydrogen produced from biomass only, coal and lignite, renewable energy sources, natural gas only. So it's renewable energy sources. So these are one of the prime factors. Questions from environmental point of view must be very important. You please revise from these questions and also focus on options and try to read from those options also what they are meant for, what are their basic definition, and what are they really are. So this will make you maximum coverage of the topic, including the MCQ practice. So I hope we will meet in next video, in video 13. Till then, stay tuned and watch our questions. Thank you.